We'll talk about how can you enable backup on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, you come here to backup, click here in this sign. So then you just switch into open video here. Then here automatically it's going to back up video here. It's going to enable video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.